Skies are partly sunny. We've had more sunshine the second half of the afternoon compared to the first half where that welcome rain was here. A northwesterly breeze at 5. Still feels like about 95, so it feels like a sauna thanks to all that added moisture in the air. But again, it was welcome to get that rain. Temperatures again are recovering a bit farther east where the showers have left just a little while ago. Temperatures are still down. Where the showers left a little bit sooner, temperatures have recovered quite a bit, and our high still made it to 92 before the showers arrived. But compared to 24 hours ago, temperatures running some 10 to 18 degrees lower. Certainly not cooler, but at least a lowering from the 97 for a high that we had yesterday. And again, the rain was a welcome sight, but unfortunately wasn't spread equally across our viewing area. There are many spots, like the airport, barely over a trace, but others, especially south of the city, had upwards of 2 to 3 inches of rain. We saw that from north of Fort Payne to east of Somerville, and right between Dalton and Chatsworth, right between 2.5 inches. And the same thing north of the city, Athens, over Tellico Plains, and in other parts of Cherokee County, 3 inches there. Other spots, 1.5 to 2.5, right about an inch. Just right over areas near Dunlap. So again, the rain was a welcome sight. But right now, the rain has quickly exited off to the east. There were showers a couple of hours ago, Cherokee and Clay County. Now those have moved out. As we go through the evening, there may still be at least a few pop-up showers. We have a weakening front rolling by right here. So still some added moisture in the air, that added lift. Don't rule out a passing shower, thunder shower this evening. Otherwise, a clearing sky overnight and a sunny start to your Saturday. Now, the other big weather story we'll be watching for the weekend is now Tropical Storm Beryl. The center of the storm reemerging back off the Yucatan Peninsula. And again, with its trek over the southern Gulf, it's going to regain hurricane strength. It still could be a pretty strong storm by the time it reaches the Texas coastline, the South Texas coastline, by late weekend and early next week. Projections are now for at least a minimal hurricane, but some of the latest model projections do show there's quite a bit of energy, and so it may strengthen quite a bit. So we'll keep an eye on that for late weekend. As far as next week goes, what's left of the storm brings a tremendous amount of moisture to Texas. Some of that could feed into a frontal boundary moving our way and could help up our chances for rain early next week, which you'll see in the 7-day forecast. Those better chances coming up. For tonight, though, just a couple of isolated showers early, clearing overnight. And really tomorrow, we'll have more sunshine back, a light northerly breeze, so a little less humid. We'll see high temperatures tomorrow back in the low 90s. This takes us to Sunday, a little bit more humid. Might see a few stray late day showers east of the city, but a better chance could arrive on Monday. Again, it's going to be scattered like it was today, but a chance developing by midday and into the early part of the afternoon. And this pattern will repeat itself quite a bit next week, with even better rain chances possible by the middle of the week. So things are encouraging quite a bit with higher rain chances and slightly lower temperatures for a while. But tomorrow, plenty of sunshine start to finish, 70s early, low 90s for the afternoon. You're going to be poolside. Great day to be poolside. Don't forget the sunscreen, though. Temperatures lower 90s at the heart of the afternoon. You're going to be out on the water this weekend. Be aware of a slight thunder shower chance on Sunday. Otherwise, a partly sunny sky. Highs remaining in the 90s. Look ahead to next week. Better shower storm chances are there Monday and Tuesday, maybe even better chances Wednesday. As a result, high temperatures held in check and closer to average with highs upper 80s to around 90.